How to enable or disable Siri listen for a typical speech on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down. And in here, we tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, we tap on Siri. After that, we scroll down. And then tap on Listen for a typical speech. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable this feature. And here it said expands the speech patterns Siri will listen for to help improve speech recognition. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.